Hi everybody, this is Duncan, Echo Alpha 5 Oscar November, and I'm going to do a short video today about trig point operating in Spain. It's kind of like SOTA. There are these trig points, not sure you can see this behind me. These were triangulation pillars made for map making before GPS was invented, and they're usually on the tops of hills so that they can see other triangulation pillars. And this one is in Valencia province on the corner of on the border with Albacete, and it took me about 3 hours to get here. An hour and a half drive from Valencia, and then an hour and a half driving up through the walking up through the mountains. Quite a steep climb here today. It's not particularly high, it's about 600 meters, but it's quite a steep climb up here. So this is my trig point backpack. Let's see what we got in here. Open it up and see everything I brought up here. Coffee. I would normally bring water as well, but it's quite cold today, so I should be okay with water. Piece of chocolate cake. Coax for the dipole. All the cables. You'll see that all connects up later. The dipole. This is a homemade 40-meter dipole. I only do 40 meters when I'm up here. I don't like to complicate it too much. This is the string. I use a fishing pole for hanging the dipole up. Don't need much height here because it's MVIS stuff, and it's all local Spanish. Let me see if I can fish this stuff out here. It's a little bit difficult with one hand. This is my KX3. It has a little Pico paddle on it. I'll see that later on once it's all set up. I have a small 50-watt amplifier. That's a hard rock amp. The radio runs off its own internal batteries. And here I have a yips. The last thing, this is a 20 amp hour golf cart battery. It's a lithium-ion battery, 12 volts, and that's what I use here on the hard rock. And in a minute we'll see how this all looks like set up. Desde el vértice geodésico Víctor Golf Víctor 176 DME 46213 QRZ. Echo Alpha 4 Yankee Tango 59. So, finally we got the pileup down. I worked 406 stations after getting rid of the duplicate contacts. It's been freezing. I had to stop doing CW because I couldn't feel my fingers. Although the sun came out now, it's actually quite reasonable, but looks like just about everybody's already gone for lunch. So by the time we were packing everything up and heading back down to the car, about another hour and a bit downhill, and get some lunch. That's me back down on the road, and you can see that's where I was up the back. You can't really see because there's too much light. If you want to know more about the Spanish trig points, Google Delta Victor Golf Echo DVGE. That's the diploma run by the Radio Club Henares, great crew of people in Madrid who organized the diploma. And you can see all the information on their website, Delta Victor Golf Echo, Diploma Vértices Geodésicos de España. Thanks for watching. Ciao. This is Echo Alpha 5 Oscar November.